Theophilus Anani, so the best media school in Ghana there, and a too much multimedia college. If we say about equipment, apapa, a church for our quadruple ewadisium, any air conditioned room there, the band media law, advertising, camera handling, and a marketing there, and then a location in our Agyapong Park Junction. Fanamba ne was you, no one cast a fret, no more beyond that one, no more being a semi frama, one cast a fret, about you.
That's it. But I get what you want to say. You see, my advice, you have a dream. You want to come home and invest. If you don't have time, don't invest in Ghana. Say, me kanda biya say, utu kwany, na uti na play mo. Na yenya Jesus Christ, aye sum na aye nimuni. Say uti play na obi ba onche so many Yesu Christo na yesum no na me kwa Ghana minim Ghana don't believe in Jesus Christ again because he's been corrupted, and therefore as soon as you have that impression you apply all business principles to protect your interest, because sa ukoye nyamsom wa amani huna wabehu wa Ghana America ha ebra wa bre nyina ebe kwa emfabusuafo enye o business. Don't bring any family member into your business. Oh brother, yeah. But more than yeah, wajuma. Why wajuma na tintimno? You can set your brother or your sister up. Don't. Oh mommy and oh papa kura. Don't bring them into your business. Because unim Ghana ebusuamuno oni pa waye yie no. Me mommy especially what he did that me nua bi why bogus. Bibia mayama me maame ene me nua no bia na o appreciate or wish senka ye me nua no edia what do you say, and they have failed. Just onipa no tumi di misika me ko na me ko kape me maame on kan we because if you say me sidan ama me yere and he has a problem. Enti o ye adwuma, don't bring your family into the business. Number one principle, don't believe in anybody. You should also have time for your business. So see me ko be adwuma me wa America me adwuma me ye ne ye inti me start inti Grace ana John en hwe so mami fasika no ko di ahyawo nenya ace. Yes, fakodi ahyawo nenya ace, because this time crowd the ace, you know, it will take you a long time to die. But unuya betimi edusika uko na uhwe sika udi ahye adwuma no u collapse ya, that's it. Whoa, I'm telling you, me I don't lie, I'll tell you, I've gone through it, but me what thick skin it do court to you treat you to defend my properties. Now me ma di me nua no mochi against me. Inti I'll share with you say o pese okoye adwuma no family wo ye wadwuma wanya sika o pese o settle nua up no problem. Basa o tie ya bra wo brei na wo ko bi adwuma de ahye nua nsa asa abetra kurum ha fa di ahye wo, cause eyawo abeba wo mu no wan hwe ya se wan collapse ya nwu a wo bekum nipa koje. Does it worth it? No. And you have time for your business. You can plan. What do you have to do? Ni say wo be call Ghana several times. I explore areas. Right. No business bia e bi ho a uti America is an opportunity to get there. Obi anye bida. You take a risk and put it in. It will take a while, but we won't say a picket, you are gone. One mistake, especially a man amakika monimu na mujina. Mistake amoye ni say munye ska. Wa bre wo hwe wo mu speed wo de foot train e ko bani ayi. Okono ko duru Ghana, ohu ni nyonku o wa bie boutique ona Joanna de me classmate wa ya de ne ayi. Woni madwon ye wonya. E bi gra shop no boyfriend bie ma. Na wakohwe Joanna shop no hunti me ko Ghana mesi me ko bie shop, you will fail. You will fail. So you have to go several times. Have time if you want to settle. At least 2 years, they visit 2-3 times a year, but 6 times, and settle on something you want to do. The moment you move, so who can establish a business, you're ready, say you are going. And my say you are going to start first. Unai mirina udisino, oyiri na so dentna na wo ko starting. Ba say wo say wo ko bie na wa betena ha na wo nua bi ahweso. No, don't do it. Enti open a way to do business and succeed. Make sure say you are committed, say this time I'm moving to Ghana. It's not going to be easy in the beginning. And yet plan it well. Oh kwa making sure say car is not a necessity. Ghana car is a necessity to do business. Make sure you have your car. You have your 2-3 bedrooms. Peace of mind. And yes, I don't move to Ghana. So only baby only car kura betinum. Who saw put to prove because back in Agyapong, you will fail. So plan it well. So what you say, more plan here. Ghana, I'm telling you. So nice a year investment in Ghana a year far better than America. That's true. If you say me fear me teams is here 1.4 million between 50 $700 me to a dime 4 AU village AU cantonments that time a year Ghana at 15, OMCC at 9, me to 4, 1.4. When him said 2 of the AU, and the mamisika rent, and the mimi de betuya me mortgage ewa. So what you say? AU, tuya $3,500, 2, 7,000. Now me another 400 because we're storing tax inquiry about $40,000. So investment in Ghana, returns on investment in Ghana is far better than number. But to get your foot in there, you have to sacrifice and devote time. Say what the better now what you want. But the way you will come back again. Now we are breadwinner e wo fie ho. Unua bi esisiu na akoka abusuafo nyina no mota akromfo na chi. Ya no mota na chi. Wo be ye nipa boni wo wiase a omo hu bi da. But your reaction to their attitude and whatever you mayen is based on what experience awanya na. But they don't appreciate the experience you have. So you have to be careful. Who kwa Ghana when you're ready to go and settle, I'm afraid don't do it.
Thank you very much, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. And come on in every year, no, Abaso, I will say. Nah, very much. And the Honorable Berena was
the easiest way to invest, or I mean, country required to invest in Ghana. I really don't get your question of tax. So, maybe I tax or establish a business, except $1 million up. Baby na call GIPC nominee, but on your own, or set it up, you only need your registration and everything. Oh yeah, we are. You can set up your own business and register with insurance, a SNIT, then Ghana Revenue Authority, and a VAT. You are good to go. That's it.
So open the best media school in Ghana there, and you too much multimedia college. If we say urban equipment apapa, a church for our quadri ewadisium, any air conditioned room there, urban media law, advertising, camera handling, and marketing there. And you're not a location Abeka Free Park Junction. Fanamba ne Guasio, no one casa free. No more beyond that one, no more being casa me from one casa free.